Hello everyone and welcome back to part 2 of this video. If you haven't already seen, we first took the Hitachi Limited Express out here to Hitachi Station, so make sure to check that video out. Today we are going to be exploring Hitachi Station itself. Right now, if you can see, we're still on the train platform. We just got off the train from part 1 and ahead of us is going to be Hitachi Station, so let's see if we can get a better view of it. Let's go up those escalators and really check it out. All right, guys, we're headed up the escalator to the station. This will be my first look out the window to see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. And of course, you cannot forget the pinnacle of this entire station is this right here. This is such a cool station. Wow, that was an incredible view. What an amazing station. I really love the way they just designed this. This is so cool, especially when you're coming from that walkway right in front of me. You get to see the ocean every morning. That's so cool. Yeah, you can see this is the walkway people use to get from the road. So like imagine this being your daily commute from the road. You see the beautiful sunrise. You go into your train ticket gate. Because yeah, right now is afternoon. It's about 2:33. And imagine just seeing the sun rising up over the water every morning. That'd be so cool. Let's go head down to the seaside exit. Looks like there's even a viewing platform down here as well. This is that shot that everyone uses on like TikTok and Instagram all the time. I've seen it before. I mean, in some ways, that's kind of how I found the station as well. All right, we're just headed away from the station now. There's a little staircase over here that seems to bring you down to the surface level. So let's go check this out. Here's a great view of the station itself too. Let's keep walking down a little bit more. Wow. I mean, from this angle, it's like a floating glass box. It's kind of cool. Got the road over here. Wow. So I just checked the time and we either have a train in 15 minutes or an hour 30. The hour 30 is kind of long, but I guess I'm already on my way down to the beach, so we'll probably miss the first one. We'll have to take the second one, but honestly, I don't regret it. I think we'll get some good sights here. All right, looks like we're on our last level before the bottom. Just coming around here. We've got the retaining wall. I gotta say, Japan sure does retaining walls well. I know they build a whole lot of them, but they put them everywhere and you can just see how much weight it holds up. It's got some interesting curvature too. All right, down here at the bottom, got a couple houses here. This is kind of a cool subdivision. This is very different. As always, doing our quick 180 of the station. Very cool. Let's keep on moving. So I'm not exactly sure which direction to go. It looks like this is actually a dead end. I'll turn around then. I'll have to check my Google Maps real quick and see which way I gotta go to get there, if we could even get there in the first place. Interesting. If I were to guess, this looks like a little stream. Yep, little stream down here. Oh, nice. Got a fisherman out here. Got some wood logs here, kind of signify not to go here, I guess. Interesting. They got a bunch of metal sheets here, which is very, very interesting. I wonder if it's to retain the washout or something from rain or from the ocean itself. Oh, there's a little cat in front of me there. Looks like he's scared away. All right, looks like we have just about reached the end of the retaining wall. Let's see what it says over here. Ooh, it's closed. Oh, they're doing something out here. Interesting. Well, that's unfortunate. Walked all that way and it's closed. But hey, at least up ahead of us, it still actually is a pretty nice sight. We have this nice little bridge here going right over the little river stream. The water is so clear as well, to be honest. Look at that. You can see right through it. Looks like the stream's coming from this side here. Nice little hill. Interesting concrete retaining wall that they poured on a hill. It's very neat. Let's just do a quick look around the bend here and then we'll probably head back to the station once more. Yeah, that's a super long way away. I'll show you guys the beach here. It is pretty rocky. Doesn't look like it's actually used much as a beach. Got a lot of debris and wood and stuff as well, so not really the place for swimming, but it does look nice, that's for sure. All right then, heading back to the station once more. So it was interesting going for a little exploration. You know, we didn't really find too much, but it was still a nice walk. Look who we ran into again. Look at that. This is a different one though. Very unfazed. Oh, looks like he's following me. Guess I'll take him back home. All right, we're almost back to the station stairs. How crazy is it to live right here? What a place. Last house on the gravel road with the station right above you. This is crazy. Climb up there. Looks like a nice little bamboo garden right next to it as well. That's nice. Here's the station again. I think you guys have already seen it a couple times already. Let's continue heading back in. All right, back in the station once more. Let's go back to this view. We actually have a cafe to our right, so you can actually eat out on this platform while viewing. That's pretty cool. I don't want to purchase anything right now, so I guess we won't go inside, but there's pictures online of what it looks like. It's very similar to what you guys saw behind me. Here's a little bit more of a view of the station outside. The sun's not at a good angle, so it'll be a little dark. So we've pretty much seen everything this train station has to offer. I'm gonna head back to my platform and then I'll close out the video there. And there we go, that was Hitachi Station. We're back on the platform right now getting ready to board the Hitachi Limited Express back to Tokyo, but that was the station itself. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. As always, there's something so cool and unique about these stations in Japan, and I love checking them out. So hopefully you guys liked it as well. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.